Today we'll be showing you how to replace a tankless gas water heater. Installing a tankless gas water heater is a difficult and sometimes dangerous process. We highly recommend having a licensed professional plumber handle this job. Tools you may need include a pipe wrench, screwdrivers, tubing cutter, propane torch, and thread sealing tape. The installation time should range from 2 to 4 hours. Here's the old Rinnai Continuum 2532 unit. I believe this unit was manufactured around 2004. We'll be replacing it with the Rinnai v53DeP propane tankless water heater. Before starting the replacement, check the fittings of both units to make sure that they match. You want to switch off your circuit breaker and water supply. Before you start the project, it's essential that you switch off the circuit breaker to ensure that the electric cables aren't providing power while you're working on it. We start by removing the old unit. We begin by removing the 4 bolts in the unit front cover to access the inside. As we now have access to the inside, we remove all remaining bolts and connect the tankless water heater to the reset box housing. We will still remove the main power supply line from the unit, followed by the controller and any other necessary bolts. As this is a propane unit, it is imperative that we do not forget to turn off the propane.
30%.
The power supply, gas, and water supply should all be shut off at this point. If it doesn't have a shut off before the unit, then turn off the main water supply. Disconnect the water heater from the water lines and gas line. The gas line will likely contain the union fitting, which allows for easier replacement. Now that all bolts, supply lines, and fittings have been removed, you should be able to remove the old unit from the recessed housing. If it is stuck in place due to rust or oxidation, try spraying some PB Blaster or WD-40 on non-electrical or water supply parts to help slide the unit out. As these units can be heavy, ask someone to help you lift and remove it if necessary. Here's the difference in size from both units. As the Rinnai v53DeP is a newer model, it appears to take advantage of newer technology and is sleeker and more compact. You can transfer the old fittings to the new unit and new lines. It should be a seamless swap as all units will have a hot water line, cold water line, and in this case, a gas line. These units can be heavy, so please make sure you're using the proper lifting technique. Mount the tankless water heater securely to the mounting box per manufacturer's specifications. The installation will be the reverse of disconnecting the older unit. If you're unfamiliar with how to make gas pipe connections, hire a licensed contractor. If your current gas line is adequately sized and you are able to tap into the existing T, continue the gas line to the heater location using the threaded pipe. Make sure that all fittings are tight and secure. If you're splicing the lines to the old controller, cover the exposed wires with electrical tape to protect, insulate, and shield the wires that conduct electricity. Don't forget to open the main gas supply line back up. Once you have the new unit in place, you can restore power from the circuit board. Run the hot water from inside your house. There you have it, the complete installation of a Rinnai tankless water heater.